Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the First Green Industries grand opening. Thank you for being here with us today. Today we are opening our new and expanded factory in Kladno and at the same time celebrating 5 years of First Green, 5 years of growth, innovation and turning ideas into real machines working in the real world. Before we take you through the new factory officially, let me welcome our hosts, Mr. Martin Havrda, CEO and Chairman of the Board, and Václav Audes, President for the AMSR region.
Thank you. As you see, we have just one microphone, which means that we are a very budget-focused company. So first and foremost, dear colleagues, business partners and friends, welcome. We are grateful to have you here in our brand new factory in Kladno. And we hope that this is going to be more of a meeting point where we will see you more often in the future. We are celebrating 5 years of our presence here in the Czech Republic. As a 5 years birthday, we thought it would be adequate to give ourselves a gift, which is the new factory. However, though, it is not only a gift that we are giving First Green, but we are giving the whole First Green family. A big thank you to the great First Green team that makes us being able to deliver and go beyond customers' expectations. It's not only, a company is not always only about the founders. The founders carry obviously the vision and as you say, always they formulate the mission itself. But where the devil is in, that's the detail, and this is exactly where our teams comes in, being it at the R&D level, being it in the back office level, or being at the sales level. First Green, after 5 years of operation in the Czech Republic, exports exactly to 52 countries right now. We are very proud of having you as our distributors on board, of having you as part of our First Green family. And if you were not believing in our product and helping us to build the product of the electric skid steer and compact loader market, we wouldn't be here. And we are very grateful to have you part of our, as I said, First Green family. We are grateful that the initial R&D team, the godfathers of the idea to have an electric skid steer, are still with us. And we are very grateful that we are a more attractive employer to a number of very knowledgeable and respected employees that came from companies like Bobcat, Caterpillar, or Renault Trucks very recently.
Thank you for working with us. Eva is the one who is taking care of our social networks, marketing, and she makes sure that we are present in all of the modern communication tools and other things, because Vašek, he knows how to work with that.
I'm trying.
And she is the latest addition to our team, and she is making a really big difference in how First Green is being presented and how we communicate the crucial information to our distribution and public network.
So I hope you enjoy the day today with us, most of you, and our dealers also tomorrow. Once again, happy to have you here, and let me invite you to the factory right now.
Okay, 7 o'clock. Now watch the skeletons. You see the skeleton? Yeah.
What's that? Yeah. Yeah, no. If you read up, there's a story behind it. I mean, there's certain figures. It's like one is the best.